finish it off with cooking cream, but this is a plate and it's finished. Homemade chips masala. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie.
And I'm Chef Cathy. We want to say thank you for subscribing, liking, and
yes, thank you
to join this community. The feedback, Angie, have you seen the feedback?
Yes, amazing. Please keep those comments coming, keep asking questions, keep referring your friends to this channel. We'll be able to answer all the questions. So today we are making home fries, masala home fries. Okay, so today we are making homemade masala chips.
And she says, I don't know how to dance, guys.
Oh, okay, to start it off, we have already pre-cooked. We parboiled some of our fries here. Then we'll deep fry them. Then we have cilantro for finishing off. We have salt, we have garlic, we have ketchup, we have a little sugar. Sugar will help us to reduce on the acidity of the tomatoes. We have some bell peppers chopped. We have diced onions. We have grated tomatoes, paprika here, cayenne powder, some garam masala, some cumin seeds and turmeric. And we have coconut cream to finish it off. You can finish it off with cooking cream, but we like the flavors of coconut, so we'll use coconut cream. So to start it off, you're going to deep fry some of these.
Okay.
They're already blanched, so it will make it easy. Yeah.
Okay, hear the sound of joy.
The masala chips, they are it's sweet. The dish is sweet, slightly sweet, spicy, and very easy to make. You can use leftover fries or chips. So as our chips are frying, we've put some oil in here and we're going to add some onions. Chef Cathy, there you go.
Adding the onions.
Yes.
There's this topic that is very interesting now in adult friendship.
Adult friendship. Tell me.
Find them. Personally, I think they are amazing, and I have learned that you never stop making friends.
You never stop making friends.
Yeah. Then I wouldn't want to compare adults with the friendships that are older than the ones that I've made in my adulthood, because I feel like they all fill up at different gaps or in my life in different seasons. I don't know what you have to say.
Yeah, so we are going in with our tomatoes. We cook them until they soften. It doesn't take a long time, and yeah, just give them a little more time to soften. As they are softening, I think every friendship, whether it's adult or not adult, it needs to be nurtured. And nurturing, it means you need to put in time, you need to put in money. Yeah, you need to avail yourself. Be there, show yourself, be present. I think that will take you a long way in your friendships.
Chef Angie, now that the tomatoes have softened, what next?
So we are going to go in with our spices. There we go, the turmeric. These are masala spices, turmeric, garam masala. This meal is spicy, but you can determine how spicy you want it to be by reducing on the chili, paprika over there, then a little cayenne. Okay, so at this point we can go ahead and put our peppers and a little salt and some sugar. We said we put sugar to reduce on the acidity of the tomatoes. Then our ketchup, tomato ketchup, There we go. Give it a good mix. Good. So our chips are good to go. I'm going with our chips. Sorry for the ones that have strayed.
What point do we put in our cream?
Mix it together very well. Then the cream will be the last thing that we put in. So like I said, you can either use coconut cream or cooking cream, whichever is available. Yeah, so there we go with our cream. Now give it a good mix. That's good. That is good. Very moist, very spicy, slightly spicy, slightly sweet, but it's very delicious. And then finish it off with your coriander. Yes. So our masala chips is ready, and now we are plating. Chef Cathy.
Yes.
Are you interested?
Oh, looks delicious.
Do you still have your dance on?
Oh,
This is yummy. This is yummy.
looks really, really delicious.
Yes. So like I said, you can use your leftover chips, like those chips you buy from, I won't mention the name. Yeah. So you can always use your leftover chips. This is our plate, and it's finished. Homemade chips masala. And Chef Cathy, I think we should dig in. Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a real treat. Yes, and please be sure to try it out. Give your friends a treat, give your children a treat, your loved ones a treat. Very easy to make, as you have seen. Any parting shots?
And I would want to interest you in something. If you want to make more of these amazing meals,
Yes.
come at the 7-Star Culinary Institute along Dr. Asia Road here in Ntinda near Isabella.
Yes.
We have short courses, diploma courses,
Right.
certificate courses, and they are vast courses right now.
Yes.
6 months. So don't be bored at home, just come and learn a new skill.
Yes.
See you then, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes.